Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. So first load the image, make a copy as always make a copy, and now I'm gonna make a selection. Actually we don't even need the pen tool, we can do it easier. Just select the magic wand tool and then click on the background and then go to select and inverse. So now we have exact selection what we wanted to select without even doing any hard work. So now I'm gonna change the background to black. You will know this why I'm doing this. So let me change the background to black quickly. So you see there's little bit white left. You can see the white kind of outline around our Deadpool. So we're going to do is go double click on that layer, go to inner glow, and then we will adjust the glow according to the image. And now you can see the white line is gone, almost gone. So right here near the shoulders you can see a bit of white lines are left. So we are just gonna do like, we will take the soft brush with the black color and paint over it like this. Actually no, we should make a selection by control and clicking over the layer like this, and now we will only paint in the Deadpool, not outside the Deadpool. So now we can easily do our job like this. I'm just detailing, I will skip this. So now I have made a layer with some settings like outer glow, and now we are going to just paint around this. Actually the red color is not looking so good, so orange looks a bit good, so we are going with orange right now. And now paint it like this, just do paint under the layer and it will look like this. Cool. Now the swords, just a straight line. Yeah, there you have it, the glow behind the Deadpool. So now I'm gonna add some inner glow in the Deadpool, so it looks a bit good. Like you can see there's an inner glow in Deadpool, there's an orange inner glow. So now I will add a glow to the eyes like the same way we did with the Deadpool, but this time the glow layer is up on the Deadpool layer, and that time the glow layer was below the Deadpool layer. So we are going to we are just gonna draw over this eye, and that's it. Really, that's it. And now we are going to add the glow like this, and we're done almost. I'm adding the glow the same way I always do, so I think there's no need to explain how I add the glow, or I'll make a separate video for this. Simple. I copied and flipped the right eye to the left one, pretty convenient. And now yeah, it looks pretty good, but there is more to this. So now we are going to change the blends, so you can see the blend modes affect so much. You can see the eye had shadows, so now whatever we did, we painted upon the eye, we drew upon the eye. Now that paint also have that shadows, and now I'm going to do this and blah blah blah, and yeah, this will look good. I think so. I think this looks good. Yeah, this is fine. Now I think that orange color doesn't look very good, so now I'm gonna change it to something like blue or grayish. Here you go. So right now I am adding some effects in the background. I will make a separate video how to make this kind of effect. It is pretty easy. I will tell you about this a little bit in this video. So you have to just make some soft lines like this, some bigger ones and some smaller ones, and then you have to go to filters, then others, then maximum, then adjust the amount and then hit OK. See, everything is very simple in Photoshop. You just need some practice. That's all. Now I think I should change the color of the eyes too. I think the color will be okay with blue, so I'm going to change both the eyes to blue color. Now it's better. Now I think I will add some clouds like smoke, in the background, which doesn't look like clouds. I'm not that good editor right now. I'm not a professional, so I'm just gonna add some clouds in the background. Go to render, clouds, and yeah, here you have it. And now take the eraser. I'm just first gonna blur it and feather it just a little, like this. Nothing happened. I wasted my time. Now I'm gonna go to eraser, and then I will decrease the eraser's opacity to something, and then I will do like circle, like the clouds and smoke are, like circle and semicircles, draw like this, and then it will look good, I think so. Here you go. And now I think the Deadpool looks a bit off, so we are just gonna add some inner glue too. So the background is kind of a blue color, so we are adding a blue inner glue to it. Not much, just a little bit, and that will be fine. Yeah, here we go. Done. Okay, cool. So that's it. If you like my video, then please hit a like, and if you like my content and if you want some more tutorials on Photoshop editing and blah 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 editing, then please subscribe and leave comment what video should I make next. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.